Yoga practice advantages. It helps reducing the tension, stress, fear, weakness and all the negative thoughts that are prevailing in human life. It is a treatment for prolonged diseases, such as diabetes, asthma, heart problems, joint pains, indigestion etc. and makes your body fit and active. It improves your concentration and alertness in every activity that you perform, making you a better and responsible person. It has a lot of benefits for women, as it improves both their health and beauty. It deals with the self-development of a person.